what you've just said, Colleen.
Okay, so I joined the program on July 25th, and I've lost 41 pounds, 23 inches total overall, have enjoyed every minute of the plan. On July 24th, the day before I started, I was lethargic and tired and depressed and just, just feeling miserable, and started this program and just wanted to take one day at a time. I started out saying, you know what, I'm going to do it for today, just today. I don't know what tomorrow holds, but mini goals, little mini goals. And then, after about 2 weeks, I'm like, wow, I feel so much better. I was sleeping better, feeling better, I had more energy. It just is just a wonderful, healthy way of a healthier lifestyle that I've just embraced and have loved. And I thank Parnell and Dina and my ladies so much.
Thank you.
I'm so grateful.